Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Hollywood. This is Shanice, and I'm back with another product review for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This company reached out to me and asked me would I do a review on their product. So here I am, ready to do that review for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the video. Make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. And if you guys want to shop my hair company, dripluxuryhair.com, go just shopping now. This is our straight. I haven't did anything to it, but this is the straight, and I believe this is a 28, and it comes down to here. But let's jump right into this product review. All links to everything that I talk about in this video will be in the description box below, and let's get to unboxing. So this is, so this is what the box came in. So I might blur that out because I think my address was shown. And since we're getting close to the holidays, they gave me like a little holiday bag, which is really cute. Oh, this is a very cute bag. You see the bow? Yes. And it has some bubble wrap, some more bubble wrap, and then also a card. So okay, so it has a sterling silver certification card inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, it has the certification card inside, which shows that it passed. And it is called, the company's name is called Zeno Jewelry, and they give you exchange. You can do return exchanges. Items returned without authorization will not be accepted. The time frame for return and exchange must be 30 days from the original order date. Original order received, and easy hassle-free 30-day return process. Policy: non-refundable items, so items without jewelry tags or that have been worn, damaged, or altered are not refundable and will be returned to the customer at their expense. And items that are worn or sent to you as a replacement exchange cannot be refunded. Then returns will be processed within 5 days upon receipt of package, and the refund will be issued to your original payment account and cannot be returned to an alternate card or a different payment. And they decided to start cutting the grass. Like, why? I thought if I go do this video really early, that I wouldn't have this problem. But like, why today, Lord? Why today when I want to film a video? This is what happened. So let's see if they make their way down. Okay. So this is the packaging that the product came in. As you guys know, since this is Zeno's jewelry, I have a piece of jewelry inside of this, and this kind of reminds me of like the saran wrap challenge. This is what the vibe that I'm getting from this is saran wrap challenge, which this is very good because it was very packaged very well, so you know your product won't get damaged, and they coming back. So So this is the packaging that it came in, which is very cute. It has a little bow. I kind of don't want to even open it, but it's so cute. And it's a little box, like a little velvet box, and it's pink. It's very cute. So if you're a guy buying a gift for your girlfriend, your wife, your fiance, this is a cute packaging she will definitely love. Something cute that can sit on the dresser. Very cute. I'll try to get all of this before I take it apart. Oh, and it kind of like stays on, so that's cute. And then it says Zeno jewelry on the top. So let's get into, oh, let me fix it. Let's get into this ring. Oh my god. And like, I will put the link to the price and the price and what the name of the ring is called, so you guys, if you want to go and purchase this ring, you can. So I'm going to put it on and see the fit. I got a size 8. I believe I'm a size 8. Take off my other ring. Yes, size 8 it is. And OMG, look at this, guys. And also, guys, I will be putting in like a little video recording of their website, so you guys can see like all the amazing rings that they have to offer. They have wedding rings, they have engagement rings, they have rings that if you just want a ring, if you just like wearing rings and you're not married and you just like to have that nice piece of jewelry but not too expensive, and this is a great place to go. They have amazing deals. In fact, let me see. Do screen record so you guys can see. So they have free worldwide shipping today. So they have nice round cut engagement rings, oval cut 3-stone engagement ring. They have the round cut halo engagement ring. They have nice wedding bands. So as you guys can see, it says engagement rings, wedding bands, wedding sets. They also have jewelry like necklaces and things like that. I believe I got this out of the engagement ring. Let me see. I'm not sure, but you guys can see they have yellow tones. They have the emerald cut. They have all different types of rings to fit any person's style. And here are some of the bands. and I'll have it for men and women. And as you guys can see from the prices, they are not too expensive. So yeah. Okay, so the one I received was the Halo round cut wedding set, and as you can see guys, it is $159.95. It starts at a size 4 all the way up into a size 10 US, and I'll show you guys some of the pictures. Here go some of the pictures from the site, and as you guys can see, this ring looks amazing in person. Like, you get exactly what you paid for. Let me see if I can. Try to focus. Yeah, so you get exactly what you get exactly what you paid for, and you can't beat the price. Only for $159, starting at $159, because I guess as you go up in size, the price goes up. But and they have some great reviews on their website as well. Everybody loves the ring they get. And they have some people that say beautiful ring, great quality and detail, excellent quality, and fits me very well. I'm glad I went with this ring. Picture does not do this ring justice. So beautiful. Would purchase again. And like I said guys, I will go back and purchase from this website, even though they sent me this for free. And this is an amazing ring. Like, you can't beat this quality for this price. They have some amazing sets and some jewelry as well. Let's go look at the jewelry, because I'm gonna have to go purchase me a necklace or a bracelet to go along with it. They also sell earrings. They have sales. So let's look at the bracelets. So they have round cut tennis bracelets. They have a round cut tennis bracelet. Yeah, so let's look at the earrings. And the sales. So they also have rings that are on sale, like this Halo emerald cut engagement ring. It was $155, now it's $115. That is a great deal for something that you're gonna get, and it's gonna be some amazing quality. Yes, this is amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more product reviews like this, or you want to see more jewelry review from me, then make sure you guys hit me up in the comment section. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notifications when I post a new video. It is almost that time of year guys where we're gonna have Vlogmas, and yes guys, me and my kids are going to do Vlogmas. I need to think of some Vlogmas intro ideas. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know any suggestions of videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys go check out Zeno jewelry. Like I said, I have all their information in the description box, and I am Miss Hollywood, and I'm signing out. Bye.